In today's digital landscape, connecting with your audience is more than a necessity, it's an art that requires precision, personalization, and a touch of innovation. Welcome to Inbox Plus. Imagine a tool that not only reaches out but resonates, a system that speaks directly to the individual needs of each person on your contact list. This isn't just another email automation platform. This is Inbox Plus, your partner in crafting email campaigns that are as unique as the recipients they're designed for. With our intuitive interface and powerful backend, we're setting a new standard in email outreach. From small businesses to large enterprises, Inbox Plus is here to revolutionize the way you connect. Stay tuned as we walk you through the simplicity and power of Inbox Plus, your next step in mastering the art of email communication. Are you tired of outreach systems that promise the world but deliver less than stellar results? Are you looking for a way to book more appointments, generate qualified leads, and drive your sales through the roof? Well, it's time to expect more. With Inbox Plus, integrated seamlessly with Google's powerful suite, you now have the keys to an outreach system that's both robust and refined. Every masterpiece begins with a blank canvas, and every successful email campaign starts here in Google Sheets, the heart of Inbox Plus. These aren't just rows and columns, they're the DNA of your personalized outreach. Watch as we select from finely crafted subjects, engaging introductions, and persuasive calls to action. Crafted with precision, each template is a potential connection, a conversation waiting to happen. With Inbox Plus, you're not just sending emails, you're creating experiences unique to each recipient. And the best part? It's all under your control. With just a few clicks, your campaign is ready to come alive. No coding, no complex software, just you, Google Sheets, and the power of Inbox Plus. Now, let's dive into the anatomy of an email. Here in Inbox Plus, every word counts. The subject line, it's not just a title, it's the first handshake. The greeting, it's the smile that invites a conversation. And the introduction, it sets the stage for your narrative. Subject, greeting, introduction, problem, solution, call to action, and closer. Each is a crafted piece of the puzzle designed to fit together into the perfect tapestry of communication. With Inbox Plus, these building blocks are your arsenal for personalized, impactful emails. Witness the ease of crafting a message that speaks directly to your audience. Here, personalization is not just a feature, it's the core of every email, and you're the architect with every tool you need at your fingertips. Welcome to the Send D sheet, where your emails come to life. Here at Inbox Plus, we transform static text into dynamic conversations. Each formula is meticulously crafted, ensuring that every message sent is not just personalized but also perfectly aligned with your audience's expectations. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all emails. With Inbox Plus, you command a suite of formulas designed to deliver messages that are as individual as the people reading them. Feel the power at your fingertips as you witness the seamless fusion of data and design. This is where control meets creativity, all within the familiar comfort of Google Sheets. As we venture further into the power of Inbox Plus, let's talk about your contacts. They are more than just names and email addresses. They are the very essence of your outreach, your audience, your potential customers, your future advocates. With Inbox Plus, integrating your contact list into your campaign is as easy as a simple click. Importing data into Google Sheets is not just efficient, it's intuitive. Watch as contact information finds its place in your campaign's ecosystem. This simplicity is the hallmark of Inbox Plus, empowering you to focus on your message, not on manual data entry. Now, let's bring your campaign to life. As we shift to Gmail, your drafted words are set to transform into meaningful dialogues. This is where the true magic of Inbox Plus shines. Notice these placeholders. They're more than mere text. They're the bridge connecting you to each recipient. With Inbox Plus, Every email you send is infused with a personal touch, making each message resonate uniquely with its reader. Crafting an email here isn't just writing, it's an art of personal connection. And with Inbox Plus, you're the artist and Gmail is your canvas. Ready to transform your outreach? Let's make each word count. At this pivotal moment, we introduce the game changer, yet another mail merge or YAM. This extension is the key to unlocking the full potential of Inbox Plus. With YAM seamlessly integrated into Google Sheets, your spreadsheet evolves into a powerful mailroom. This tool empowers you to send not just a few, but hundreds of personalized emails, all with a few clicks. Imagine the reach of your message, amplified and personalized at scale. YAM transforms your outreach, making it not just efficient but also impactful. Ready to make your mark? With Inbox Plus and YAM, you're unstoppable. And now, the pivotal moment, initiating the mail merge. With each click, watch as Inbox Plus becomes more than just a tool, it becomes a catalyst for growth. Every email sent is a doorway to opportunities, booking appointments, qualifying leads, and transforming the way you connect with your audience. This is where strategy meets execution, where your efforts bear fruit. Inbox Plus, coupled with YAM, does more than send emails. It crafts a path to your goals. Ready to see the results? Let's step into the future of your outreach. As your emails navigate the digital world, the story of their journey unfolds right here. Welcome to your tracking dashboard, where data breathes life into numbers and charts. This isn't just data, it's a narrative of your campaign's reach and resonance. Who's opened your email? Who's engaged with a click? Who's responded? Every metric here paints a picture of impact and opportunity. With Inbox Plus, you're not just sending emails, you're gaining insights, refining strategies, and building relationships. And this dashboard, it's your compass, guiding you towards even more successful campaigns. Now, take a moment to imagine the potential that lies before you. With Inbox Plus, you're not just sending emails, you're opening doors to endless opportunities. This innovative system is more than a tool, it's a gateway to connect, engage, and grow your business. And the best part, it's all built on the reliable, accessible, and familiar framework of Google. Ready to harness the power of personalized email outreach? Join us at Inbox Plus. Transform your email strategy into a conduit for success. The future of your business communication awaits. As we draw this journey to a close, pause and consider the immense possibilities at your fingertips. Inbox Plus is more than a system, it's your pathway to mastering the art of communication. With Inbox Plus, you're not just reaching inboxes, you're sparking conversations, nurturing relationships, and creating a network of engaged leads. And there's more. Imagine following up seamlessly with your email contacts through WhatsApp, all from the same Google Sheet. Intrigued? Want to delve deeper into this integrated approach? Comment your interest and don't forget to subscribe. Take the first step towards becoming the architect of your outreach success. With Inbox Plus, the future of your business communication is not just bright, it's revolutionary.